Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can look like Toothless on Dress to Impress. So I got this hoodie and color it this dark brown color. Let me just delete this one. Okay, this one. Alright, then you're going to go to this dress and you're going to color this black, also this one, except for the third one you're going to color it dark brown. Then you're going to get this top and you're going to color 1, 3, and 5 dark brown, and 2 and 4 you're going to color it this light brown. Oops, sorry. Just gonna go to the VIP section. We're going to need this dress and we're going to color that this, and after that I'm going to get the wings and I'm going to color it black. Then I'm going to add in a mermaid's tail. We're going to use this one first and we're going to color everything black. Then we're going to add another tail. Color everything black except for the last one. Just color it red. Should I color? Nah. Like that. I forgot one thing from the VIP section, and that is this. Color it black. Then this as well. Color that black. And we are going here next. We are going to, actually, let me just put on this dress first. Color everything black. Select this. Do no ears and color that black as well. Then you're going to go to the coat section, select this. Color the outer part green and then side part black. Go here and put on these hairstyles. So this is very tedious, I'm not gonna lie. Oops. We also need this one. We need this one. Just gonna color everything black here. And for the last step, you'll need the lagoon pose from Mermaid. So let's go to solo, mermaid pose back, and lagoon. And here we have Toothless. Ta-da! That is it for this video. It only works for Freeplay, unfortunately. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.